Alright, today I've got a work order to repair 3-door Victory reach-in freezer. And this is a Victory FSA-3D-S1, so 3-door Victory freezer. So the problem I had was this thing was a solid block of ice. Fans weren't coming on. I could get them to come on when I jumped it out, the controller. And also this controller, sometimes you push the buttons, it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. So I just ordered a new controller and we're going to swap that out along with the evap sensor. Alright, so to access that, just open up that top panel. Hope it don't drop on your head. And the sensor runs through this channel here to the controller. Alright, so this one here is the evap sensor. And it's this top harness. So pull that out and put the new one in. I'm going to check the readings against the new one. Alright, so checking the old sensor, we've got 11.64 and it is roughly 76 degrees in here. So we'll check that with the new one. And this is the new one. We're a little less, 10.71 thousandths ohms. We'll let it settle out here. Definitely a little bit of a difference. Alright, and getting to my controller. This thing's unplugged, but just got the one main harness. This is going out to the compressor relay and fans. And here's your sensors. Alright, so we got the old controller out and the new one. This is the part number. They have 3 screws that hold it in with these little nylon locking nuts that are obviously metric and not. So I used my metric Gerber to back up my metric Phillips. Take it apart. Throw this new one in. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. Alright, let's get power back on. Let's see what happens when she fires up here. Alright, got compressor. Starting to get cold. We'll see if these fans come on this time. Oh, look at that. We got some fans working. It wasn't even like 2 minutes and the fans are on, so that makes me happy. It just cycled. It's a good sign. They're working. Temp sensor's working. Slap this thing back together and watch it come down. Alright, this is very encouraging. Alright, so the fans shut off every time you have to open these doors. I got fans. Alright, so I think that's got it. It was this control board. These little relays and stuff are what controls the fans coming on. So, like I said, I had to troubleshoot it the other day, and indoor fans weren't coming on. I was able to jump it out, got them to come on. So, just went ahead and replaced that evaporator sensor too while I was at it. So, well, seems to be doing well. All the alarms are cleared. It's getting frosty in here. So this one is a victory. We got this one fixed. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.